Hi guys, Danielle here from GetTestObsessed.com, and today I'm bringing you another brief video tutorial, today featuring 6 new words that feature the root cred, C-R-E-D. Cred comes from the Latin meaning to believe, so the first one up on our list is the word credible. If you find someone or something credible, it means you think they are trustworthy, that they are believable, convincing, or compelling. If they tell you that something is probably going to happen, you are going to believe them. Why do you believe them? Well, it might be because of their credentials, their background or qualifications on certain subject matter. It might be because they have earned certain degrees or certain awards that make them particularly trustworthy. These are the kind of things people look for on job interviews. The next word is accredited, which is a word often associated with schools that people tend to pursue. If a person, organization, or school is accredited, it means that some larger, often governing authority has said that they have met certain standards or criteria, so they are to be trusted. Our next word is incredulous. If you are not the type that is easily trusting, you're very skeptical, this word is the one to describe you and your stance. Discredit, on the other hand, is when you want to hurt a different person or organization's reputation, when you want to say that they are not doing things the way that they should be, you are going to try to discredit that person's authority. But our last one on our list is the word credence. And whether you find people or organizations to be trustworthy or not really comes down to how much credence you think some claim has. Credence meaning a belief in or acceptance of something as true. And there you have it, 6 new words, all with the root cred. Incredible, right? If you like this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at GetTestObsessed. See you next time. Bye, guys.